Ano na may pagkain? Ay, manok.
Wala na. Wala na. No. No.
Hi, birds. Ano ka, mama?
No. It's okay. It's okay. Ano? No. Bumaba.
Di mo si Hinday nga, Si Hinday, hindi siya takot, Hinday, you're not afraid.
May sa kanyang head.
Bait,
It's okay. No. Stop it.
Let's not scare. Look at Hinday,
Inuulo ko.
Hawak ko si Hinday, Hinday, you're not scared? Sandy, you're not scared? You're not scared, Sandy? Okay. Ang galing naman ng baby natin. Thank you, birds. Wala na. Sabi, look at mama, Say bye-bye, Camel. Bye-bye, Camel. Kasi magaling ang aming trip. Kami ay ulang-ulang nagtitrip. It's a lion, hoy. It's a lion, hoy.
Good morning. Ay, good afternoon.
Uwi na tayo. Pwede mo kinount. So ilan na lahat yon? 3 plus 1, ilan lahat yon?
Tapos long neck.
Then go down there na. Are you happy? Are you happy with the zoo?
Mom!
Yes.
This one!
Oh, it's so big.
It's so